This message arrived at the ideal time to alert you to the possibility that you have been focusing on something temporarily that is less significant. You need to refocus your attention, be creative, and keep working toward your long-term objectives. If you want to see the results of your labors as soon as possible, now is the time to act. Your angels are always keeping an eye on your daily activities and want you to be happy in life, so they constantly remind you to establish clear priorities. The divine is aware of the disorder in our society, and you could be one of those people who is affected. You must direct your attention to consider the positive things you do and the areas in which you excel most while you're deeply contemplating your life and the steps you need to take. Once you've finished organizing your ideas, move forward with either giant or baby steps. Every person and everything they do is related to every individual's life purpose and fits together like a puzzle in our universal love for enlightenment. Always keep the light and love in your heart. Never let mistrust, confusion, or bitterness from the past fill your heart. The moment you are in right now is the time we must always treasure. It is acceptable to think ahead and plan for the future, but you must act and be prepared to put forth the necessary effort every day in your life. You must also be aware always that everyone here possesses a glimmer of the divine. Positively consider your beliefs, and the divine will move closer to each plan you make for yourself. They are working out with you and participating in the background. The only thing you need to concentrate on is adopting a completely new outlook on life. Forgive yourself for the mistakes you made in the past and take those lessons to heart. There is no time looking back on the past or to be sorry, because you can never rewrite history. Instead, focus on building a better future for yourself by creating a better future chapter today. Honesty and sincerity should guide all of your actions. By glowingly exuding your energy, you will be able to be seen by the universe. As long as you are not stepping on anyone, continue working toward your objectives. Future success will always result from these struggles you put into improving yourself. Your heart is where your greatest desires always come from. Therefore, never give anyone the authority to make you feel less vibrant. If you feel that something doesn't benefit you, learn to let it go. In every area of your life, only consume what is healthy for you. Reduce the high expectations you have for yourself and the people you care about. It's important to understand the difference between standards and expectations. Never ever mix up those two. While having standards is something you set for yourself, while expectations are how you anticipate things will turn out for you, it is the limit you set for making wise decisions. By letting go, you will liberate yourself free from drama and negativity